Hey gang, Jason with House of Jacobs Gaming coming to you with another review. So sometime either last year or I think for one of the kids' birthdays or last Christmas, we decided to get the kids a Quest 2. While you do get a nice headset and you get the little fancy things and it's all wireless as long as you know how to set it up, it does come with a very short charging cable and it leaves some things to be desired with how the handles get charged. So, what I have decided, I'm getting about tired of having cords running everywhere, and I am opting for charging stations that also help to store our items. Because right now, it all just gets stored in the original Quest box. And while that's okay, it does get kind of tiresome to continually put the sleeve back on and all that stuff when I could just store the box and be done with it. So, what we have is the Anker Quest Ready charging station. This is a charging station that will allow us to place the Quest in it very nicely. One cable charges not only the headset, but also will charge handhelds. So you don't have to continually replace batteries. This actually comes with 2 replaceable batteries. We're going to open this up, see what it really comes with. But just looking at the box, it comes with 2 replaceable batteries that go in the handsets that will also charge up as we go along. It says that it will give you a 2.5 hour full charge. So we'll test that out. First, I'll have to kill the headset. I'll probably just give it to the kids and let them run around playing Beat Saber or whatever. And then we'll go ahead and charge it up and see if it does take about that 2.5 hour mark. And that'll be good. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. All right. So again, as you see, it is the Anker effortless charging for endless adventures, and it does kind of look like this. It's a lot better camera for doing this. The light from my ring light is kind of bright. It's Oculus ready, and it did say it was for the Oculus Quest 2, which I'm all about. So let's came right open. All right, so get this, and really it's not a ton of stuff. We got the actual charger itself. Let me onto my lap, pull things out, put it up here. Maybe that'll help it. This is the plug. So we're going to use their proprietary plug. It has a USB-C, which is good because that's pretty much what every dang thing is going to. It has an adapter, apparently of some sort. Okay, and here's the USB-C cord that it comes with for getting to the wall. This. And then here are our chargeable batteries. Then you get 2 fancy little connectors for your handsets that will allow this to charge through these little ports right here. It'll sit in here like this and charge them up. It's not a lot. The inside of the box is empty now. So we can see what this stuff is. Let's look at the instructions. I'm curious to see what this thing is. Okay, so this is a magnetic USB-C plug. So what you do is you plug this into the side of the headset and put it in there. It does that. So that's how it charges the headset. All right, so we stick this little guy here. Real easy. And it just docks. Oh, that is so much nicer. It won't charge right now and I plugged in. Let's see. We got to replace these. And this is why, right here, because of how difficult these are to get off, that I really am going to enjoy this charging station. We've had to replace the batteries on these once already, and it's always a dang pain. All right, I finally got that off. Here we go. Gotta put one of these rechargeable batteries in. And then I'm assuming that you want to keep it like this so that these contactors will actually touch it. Oh my gosh. Is this magnetic? It is amazing. So much nicer. All right, let's do this next one. The same batteries in here, bro. These kids. Yeah, see, it looks like a magnet right there. It is. Look at that. It is a magnet. So that is a much nicer way of holding this on there. Still clips in the same way. This is so nice. I'll be wondering if that'll actually come off. I don't think that it will though. It feels real solid. And you just put it in. And then it'll charge. So I guess let's see how long it takes to charge. First we gotta kill it, and then I'll test the charging of it to make sure everything works. All right, so I drained the Quest 2 of all energy, and it took right about 2.5-ish hours. Didn't have like a stopwatch, and I didn't wait for the exact time. I would check on it every few minutes, and about 2.5 hours. So that's not bad. I really like. Some things I like. First off, I like the space-saving capabilities of this. Like having the capability to have just this sitting on a surface, whether it be like on your computer or next to your computer, or on a, like mine right now will sit over on my dresser because this is my streaming area, or even on your desk, like behind. You can even probably fit this behind your monitors and stuff. Is fantastic. It is a great little storage area for your Quest. Everything fits in nicely. I love the little magnetics that are on this. It really helps to just snap it right in place and do all the charging. I like how easy these are once you have them on to not have to replace these dang batteries. Hey, the kids have run this down a couple times. Replacing batteries on this, they always have to come to me. No more. Now you just put it in here. Done. Here's some things I don't like. I don't like how short this cable that it came with is. I mean, it looks long, right? I think it's maybe about 4 foot. I don't think it's 6 foot at all. I think it's about a 4-foot cable. And while it is USB-C and does easily plug into this, and this is, this can store very nicely, I don't like how short it is. From where I wanted to originally put this, over on the side here, I have a fridge, and I have an open spot next to the computer on the cooler side of the computer where there's no fans, there's no heat coming out. I wanted to kind of store this there, but to get from there to the plugs behind my computer is a lot more than this. I wish that they had something a little bit longer, and yeah, that can be alleviated by buying a more expensive, obviously, longer USB cable, because this isn't reading data, so you're not losing a lot of data across of it. You're just charging. So I think they could have included maybe an 8 or 10 foot, and you just wrap up what you're not using. If we're going to try and get rid of a lot of cords, I think that's the way that they would have gone there. The one you get with the Quest is already super small. This is much longer than the one you normally get with the Quest, but I just wish it were longer. I do. I'll probably end up replacing it, but after already spending right at $99 for this, I expected it to be a little bit longer so I can plug it in where I want. That's just a personal thing though. Outside of that, this is a fantastic device. Easily stores everything. And everything, like I said, is magnetic. You got this little magnetic thing here. Comes right. This goes right in, slides in and out real easy. Pops right in there. Bad boys. Let me make sure I have the right one on this side. Pop right in there like that. I mean, it is a great little thing. Anker has also been a fantastic addition to all of our cords and such. So they're a really good company. I don't get sponsored by them or anything. I do use a lot of their cables and a lot of their cords, and I'm really just trying to get away from plugs. Plugs tend to, especially on our iPhones and stuff, we'll order like things that have to like plug in, like the little lightning jacks and stuff, and almost everybody in the family but me wears them out within a month. I don't, even if I buy the nice one. So I don't know what they're doing to them. So the more I can get away from plugging things in for the people that are the destroyers of cords, the better off I feel that I will be. And if that's how you feel as a dad out there, or as a mom, that you're always buying cords because your kids are buying cords, just start going wireless. This will be the first step in your with a Quest. You can do wireless charging with phones now and everything else. Just get rid of the cords. That's what I wanted to do. That's what this was able to do. So I really think this is going to be a great product for storage, and I just got to get a slightly longer cord. Anyways, thank you guys very much for hanging out with us. Please drop us a like, a sub, share us. That would be super helpful. And use the links below if you're gonna go check this out yourself. I'll put them down there. It really helps support us, and this is how I kind of support myself with buying other products and such, is just through Amazon links to kind of come back and link them up. Anyways, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you next time. How's Jacobs Gaming?